Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm vlogging. I did my makeup. I did like a nice full glam. I don't know why though. I like just woke up and I was like, I feel like getting like pretty today. It's a rainy day. I felt like vlogging because life has been really crazy lately. I'll do like a little life update in this vlog, a little SIBO update. So let's just chat a little. I just made some matcha. It's like, what time is it? Oh, it's 3 o'clock already. That's amazing. I've been waking up pretty late lately. I don't know why. I've just been off my game and there's just been a lot going on. So I'm just drinking this matcha. I just have almond milk, water, stevia, and then my TEAMI blends greens that I showed you guys in my last video. I have been absolutely loving using these greens. Once again, I do have a promo code for you guys. You guys can click on the link in the description box if you want to try it. I raved about this stuff in my last what I eat in a day, and you guys can use the code keeelaniii25 to get 25% off your first purchase. And I've been loving the greens. I put them in my smoothies, I put them in my matcha, and it's just like a nice boost of like natural energy without a hard caffeine crash. Just another little shout out to TEAMI because I love this stuff. But anyway, I don't know about you guys, but I'm fucking bored. Basically wake up and do the same thing every day. I just go to the gym, come home, lay in my bed. I was originally gonna do a Q&A today, but I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram, and every single question was, how is your SIBO? How are you feeling? What's going on? So I wanted to dive into SIBO really quick if you don't have any interest in this or you're not diagnosed with SIBO and you don't watch my videos. So basically, I have been feeling, knock on wood, a lot better lately. If you guys follow me on my health Instagram, you would know that I've been feeling a lot better lately. My levels, I can tell, have definitely gone down for 2 reasons. My symptoms are very, very small now. I've been really able to control it with the low FODMAP diet, and it's been working really well for me. And prior to that, I did the SIBO diet for like 6 or so months, kind of. I'm finally able to like eat carbs again and like, you know, enjoy more things than I used to not be. And then another thing I did last week was I was like, I have been feeling a lot more confident in my body lately. I was like, I don't know, like I feel like quarantine has been good for me. I was like, I'm gonna step on the scale, and I actually lost 15 pounds. Because of that, my levels have definitely gone down. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but I have some pretty bad stretch marks from gaining all of the initial SIBO weight, and they have pretty much shrunken down. So like right here, I was looking at them yesterday. I'm sure you guys can't see on camera, but it's crazy to see all of that. And I've just been feeling a lot better, and I look a lot better than I did. I feel happier, more confident in my body. Health-wise, I've been doing the best I have done since being originally diagnosed. So I feel like I have finally, maybe like seeing the light. We might be over this like really bad hump of what this was. But yeah, let me just like look into a few of the questions. Actually, it was crazy though. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna step on the scale. I'm not gonna get upset if it's a number I don't like. One of the questions was, how has SIBO changed your social life? Oh my god, SIBO changed my social life so horribly. People would want to go out to restaurants. I'd be like, sorry guys, I like can't go. Like there's nothing on the menu I can eat. One of my best friends had a really big party in the city. They went to Il Bastardo. Yeah, Il Bastardo. It was like a brunch place, and there was like not a single thing I could eat on the menu. I usually just drink Tito's and Club when I go out anyway, or like Tito's and water, and like I can handle that. But like, you know, I usually can't eat what my family eats for dinner, but my mom's been able to kind of like go around all of that and be like pretty accommodating since I've been home, actually, for the most part. It took a very hard toll. Going on dates with SIBO is like a fucking nightmare, but it's definitely gotten a lot better. So I'm just like happy. I also feel like I'm starting to get like my definition back in my like shoulders and biceps, because I love my upper body and I love being like super strong. I tried on a bunch of summer clothes, I tried on shorts and stuff, and like most of the stuff fit. So I was like, if you want to use a corona term, I'm over the curve. So that's a little SIBO update for you guys. I'm sitting at a pretty healthy weight right now, and I feel great. I feel so much better than I did, you know, back in the fall and the winter. Very dark times that I don't want to go back to ever again. I never want to be in that mental state or physical state in my life ever again. So far, so good on the SIBO update. Life update, I have completely graduated school. Very anticlimactic. It was just like submit, and I was like, whoa, I'm done. It was weird. But yeah, I'm done with school, done with my undergrad. I would have graduated May 15th. I don't know. They haven't given us like a graduation thing. I have no idea what I'm doing for a job. I don't have any plans. I mean, I know a lot of us are struggling with that right now, graduating seniors in high school. in college. So I'm almost done with my personal training certification. After this, I'll be able to like train and stuff, which will be really fun. I'm excited to get into that. Be a nutrition coach, stuff like that. So that's exciting. We actually had a really bad incident in my family the other day. My mom fell down the stairs in the middle of the night a couple nights ago, and it was so fucking loud. And like the way our house is set up is like my room is here and there's a staircase, and then her room's over here. So that's the one thing that's like between our rooms. And she fell down and she was completely like unresponsive, unconscious. Obviously like the ambulance came, and then there's like no visitors allowed like in the hospital, so we had to wait and like to hear from like what her diagnosis was. So she ended up getting a concussion. She broke her collarbone, she broke 2 ribs and 2 vertebrae in her spine. So my mother is like out. So that's been how this week has been. Pretty rough. Let's see, what else did I want to talk about in this video? I feel like that's it for now. Oh, on Friday, oh my god, you guys, I learned TikTok dances and I burned over 600 calories. So I'm gonna make some TikTok dances as like my workout for today, because it's like cold and rainy and like so windy, and I just don't feel like going to the gym. I'm a really bad dancer, but you know what? I'm trying. Okay, probably gonna make some lunch soon. It's 3 o'clock. So that's my little life update. I'm gonna do a little decorating today, make some paleo cookies, the usual quarantine life. See you guys in a little bit. Also, I would like to point out that this album is really good. I've just had this and Dark Lane demo tapes basically just on repeat, and this is my favorite song, Go Crazy, and then Animal, bangers. Shout out CB.
What done? Why are you recording me? Why are you recording me?
Let's do it.
Where's the dog? Doggy! Where you get that book? What doing?
Hi guys, it's a little bit later now. I'm getting a little hungry. I have no interest in eating healthy today, so then I'm gonna make some cookies. I also have to do my nails. I've just been painting them white. My mom is on the couch sleeping downstairs, and like I'm not gonna like bother her and like vlog downstairs, and then I'll show you guys like the finished product and stuff. I'm not gonna like talk and like disturb her. But yeah, they're really good. I made them the other day. Actually delicious. I found them on Pinterest, so that's cool. I think I'm just gonna like chill. Really not much else to do. I've been listening to a couple podcasts. I was listening to Keaton's podcast. I love her podcast. I think she's so real. She did one like a couple weeks ago about toxic friends. It was like one of my favorite podcasts ever. It was so good. I'm gonna listen to Claudia and Phineas's new one too. I think I'm just gonna like watch some Housewives, do some laundry. I don't know, guys. The struggles of quarantine are so real. So I'm gonna be quiet, but these are the ingredients. Casey! Why are you crying, honey? Screenshot this if you want to save it, and then you cook it at what, 350? And I cooked mine for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I took them out. They look so good. Oh my god, I have to try one. Let's see. Oh my god, they're better today than when I made them the other day. Wow. Try these out, guys. Thank me later.
What the fuck is up? Oh my god, focus.
So it's a little bit later now. We're watching.
It's literally not focused at all.
I'm catching up on Jersey Shore, the new seasons. And that's what's going on, peeps. Why, Brayden?
I don't even know.
Brayden's about to help me hang my shelves, right, Brayden?
That's a whole lot of cap. I'm not doing it. Yeah.
Hi guys, so it's like 9 o'clock now. I've been watching Jersey Shore for a very long time. Probably just gonna do nothing for the rest of the night. I just wanted to come on and end the vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry if it was a little boring. That's just life nowadays. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.